This is how we start our day off, baby.
Yeah.
Riding the drop. Why these things don't want to go down? We in the TT. It says pull. It says pull slow, please. Oh man, look at that.
Oh my goodness.
So man, we gonna stump for a second. Man, we ain't got no shades, bro.
I know, man. I'm
Tripping. Oh, this drop top weather though.
Yeah, man. I'm saying.
What up, DCB fam? This is how we start our day off, baby. No gas. This thing got all kind of stuff going on, son. Red side. All right now. We riding through the hood, man. Check him out. That boy doing an engine swap, son.
In the front yard.
In the front yard.
He got the Crown Vic truck.
He got the Crown Vic SUV. You got it, man? You got it? You need some help? All right. All right.
Mama, man.
He's like, man, I know what I'm doing. What y'all youngsters talking about? I've been doing this since 72.
Well, I do this with cigarette in the mouth. Top in the TT today, man.
We in the TT, man.
The TT, man.
Don't TT on yourself. Oh, man, I'm spilling my coffee. I'm tripping. You want to see my custom hood latch? Custom hood latch, baby. All right, let's get in here. Spill this coffee on myself. It ain't gonna be funny at all. I ain't did a little shop video in a minute. I'll show y'all what we painting today, what we getting ready to paint. I got a C43 Benz AMG coming through, putting an upgrade sprawl on this deck lid, and I'm gonna show y'all what my next project I got going on. Keith driving his first convertible. But try to get back to the shop, man. See if we can make this hood pop up. Whoa, there you go. Oh yeah, it popped up. Man, I had to drive 40 miles an hour to make that sucker pop up. Old boy still pulling that motor out. Sip this coffee though. This is how you sip your coffee and drive. See that? Squirrel wanna run out on me like that, he done. Oh, you wanna race? Oh, you wanna race, sir? Hey, you lucky I ain't got no hood latch. There it is, back at the shop. I need to take my hell dent sign down. We ain't doing no more hell damage. Thank God. Done with all that. And we got all these on the side. We got a little something going on. So I jumped out of old Ford into a new Ford. Let's get this thing out of here. Say, man, you ain't done yet, bro?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm finished. I'm just tightening up the lugs, make sure they don't come off, sir.
All right, cool.
All right.
Gotta watch that dude. Like he said, even though he tightened them lug nuts, I still gotta go double check him. Preston,
What?
you ever seen a little TT like this, man?
No, I had never seen one like that.
You wanna
man.
see a little TT?
Yeah, let me see what it looks like.
This is a little TT right here, man. Look, see? It's a little TT.
Yeah, I see it now. It's nice. I think I could do something with it.
He said, I see it now. It's a TT, man. This little thing cool, bro. Somebody hit the TT from the back. All right, so what we doing right now, I got Keyshawn out here. He's the head.
Yeah, Yogi Bear.
AKA Yogi Bear. Yeah, he out here. We got this car detailed and we getting it final inspection on it, making sure everything look good on it. So we put 2 new doors on this bad boy and fix this quarter panel. I'll probably drive and make sure we ain't got no wind noise. Just clean the wheels and all that good stuff. Got this bad boy almost ready to go. Got some jobs that we hadn't started on yet. We got this one, got this one, and we got this one, and we got this one. So we got 4 cars over here. I gotta get started on them, see what else going on. This is what happens when you let Devin use the broom. He broke it, counterbonded here. Now it's totaled. Well, I don't know. It's still functionable. Hey, Devin, I think it's still functionable. There we go. Let me see. It's working now. So what we're gonna do on this thing is get everything taped up like you're doing. We're gonna get the main parts like right here and right here. You know, we ain't gonna be able to get all. Yeah, and then on this side, you're probably gonna have to open the lid up when you're done with the top, and then we'll probably buff the side and right here. On here. We'll probably just polish this side because we only painted that side. It's a beautiful bike though, man. This bike got everything. Navigation, the whole 9. I ain't into bikes, but this thing is clean. All I need is a How we come on this turkey?
All we prepped, ready to slide in the booth, about to blow the booth out. Then we're gonna finish getting it taped up. And we about to shoot the ceiling and get it based up.
All right, cool. All right, well, me and Devin gonna bring this Highlander to the llama shop, and I'll be right back. Man, we just can't get away from the popos, man. You still gonna get pulled over. You know why? Uh-oh. He getting behind us, D.
I'm not gonna lie, if he pulled me over, I might be happy. At least I get some sleep today.
I know. You wanna race? You wanna race? You wanna race? Let's go on the light. We got our first race. Oh, he ready, son. We gonna give you the hit.
He ain't going.
We was gonna give him the hit.
I know.
Oh, Lord.
Every day.
Every day. Man, this is a beautiful Benz right here. C43 AMG. This thing is gorgeous. Man, interior in this thing. Start it up. Check this button out. So we are about to install a new wing on this. It's a twin turbo V6, 4.3 liter. For all you fishermen out there, this is some the weight, some 10 weight.
Yeah.
10 weight fishing string we're using here.
I wouldn't know. I never went fishing.
Yeah. Perfect gaps here.
Yeah.
Sometimes we gotta do a little improvising here. Pull it to you. Alright, make sure we good on here, even here. Make sure that jump on there so when he go on a buck 50, he don't fly off. Alright, we got the wing on. Everything straight on it. Gotta hit it with a little salt and pepper. Go ahead, spray me some. All right, you good. Clean our mess up. Man. Pull it outside so y'all can really see it. All right, we got the wing installed. Looks perfect. Oh, look at them tips. All right, on to the next one. All right, we got this thing right here. So these airbags are in the side of the seat. You can see this was the passenger, this was the driver. So when these pop out, they go around your ribs. So when you get hit from the side, don't break your ribs. So we gotta replace these. The curtain bags, they came down. So we gotta take all this interior out. Gotta change the airbag module. And like I say, both curtains. Give y'all a little insight on what we do with these airbags. Nate is a certified airbag technician. So we're gonna get it right, bro. So pretty much we're gonna drop this headliner and put these new bags in, see what it look like. Keyshawn getting ready for the bike meet. We're getting the bike done. Let's see what Devin tearing up. Devin over here, he's a certified Lexus man. Heard you was the certified Lexus man around here.
Man.
Speaking of Lexus, show y'all this bad boy. This thing is sweet. Got Lexus in the headlight. This is sweet as it gets. Got Alcantara suede, wood grain. Check that out. Look at that back seat. Got speakers in the ceiling. Man, speakers right here. This thing is gorgeous. And it smells good in here. Man, this thing is nice. What's this? Oh, fancy smancy. It's that big boy car. Whew. All right, time for me to get back on. All right, we got that seal on there. Got it sanded down. And now we about to apply first coat of base on it. Got the first coat of base on, and it's covering pretty good. So we're gonna let that tack up for a second. We're gonna put coat number 2, and then it should be time to blend, and then put some clear. Oh yeah, got the blend looking good. So now we're ready for clear. All right, let's see what Nate got going on with these airbags. So we got the headliner drop. Got a mess in here. Oh, you got a mess going on, bro.
Trying to figure out which one's the left and right. Gotta say it somewhere on there. I just must not see.
Yeah. All right. If y'all never seen curtain airbags, this is how they look before they deploy, and this is how your seatbelt looks before it deploys. This thing explodes in here, and it pops out of here, and it tightens that up, and that's what gets that seatbelt nice and tight on you. Look at in the front.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we got that bad boy out. That's it, finished product. That look good, bro.
They done pretty good.
Got it all sticking here like with the track.
To make that drip.
Let's go see what Nate doing. Pretty much trying to show y'all a little insight on everything that goes on the paint side, from the prepping to the basing to putting the clear in. All right, Nate got this.
You know it wouldn't be a Ford without a bad design somewhere.
Oh yeah. Oh, you got. Oh, okay. You got one way down in there. I already know. No Ford gotta make it happen. Built Ford tough, bro. You know how they do it. This the old bag and the new bag. So this truck. Show y'all what we did on this thing. This guy hit a guardrail on I-10. So what we had to do was, which I'll make a video later. So we had to cut this old frame rail off, the one that got hit, and weld a new one on. Sectioned it right here, and now we got a new frame rail on there. This is how it looked before, and then put a new one on there, and we got a new radiator support. That's the old one. Knocked the chunk off of it. That's pretty much the day, man. It's a full day. What goes on in the shop, tearing down the vehicle, doing all the repairs on it, putting airbags in. I mean, we do everything over here. So just to give y'all a little insight, a lot of shops, you know, don't want to show all that stuff. But hey, we ain't gonna show you all our secrets, how we do stuff. But I'm gonna give y'all a little insight on what we do over here, you know. Hope y'all enjoyed this day at the shop. You know, we just love to do, man. And, you know, we take a lot of pride in what we do here at Downs Paint Body. But so y'all what, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. So y'all have a blessed day.
We must pay homage to him.